The man picked up his glass. He slowly turned it, and the plain water suddenly changed into red wine. But he was not a magician. He opened his hand, and everyone saw that he had hidden red color in his palm from the start. He used to be a magician, but he thought magic shows made money too slowly. So he started telling people the secrets behind magic tricks. He became a magic debunker, someone who shows how tricks are done. He said that people like to know the truth more than they like being fooled. A few days earlier, he went to a big magic show. He used a tiny camera to record everything. The magician on the stage asked the audience to choose 3 random numbers. Then he called a lucky person onto the stage. The person picked was Evan, a man from France who kept his money in a French bank. The magician made the show even more exciting. He said they would now rob a bank in Paris, all the way from Las Vegas. First, Evan was given some props. Then he picked a card and signed his name on it. Next, Lisa came with a long black ribbon. Suddenly, a strange machine appeared in the middle of the stage. Evan walked toward it, and in 1 second, he vanished in front of everyone. The crowd gasped. Evan's picture now appeared on a big screen. He was inside the vault of a Paris bank. Following the magician's instructions, Evan walked to a platform where $30 million were kept. He took out the card he had signed and wrapped the show ticket around it. He pushed both into a crack in the pile of money. At that moment, the bank guards and the manager came to check the vault. Something weird happened. The money on the floor began flying upward into a ventilation pipe. The money rushed through the pipes at high speed and started falling straight into the Las Vegas show. When the bank staff reached the vault, Evan was gone. The money was gone. Only the card and ticket remained on the floor. In Las Vegas, bills were raining from the air and people were cheering wildly. The trick looked like a real international bank robbery, so the FBI got involved. They arrested all 4 magicians, but the court couldn't prove them guilty because thousands of people were ready to testify that the magicians never left the stage. If the court punished them, it would mean magic was real, which made no sense. So the police had to let them go because they had no proof. But the real truth behind all of this was revealed by someone else.